the largest crane company in India, and we are perhaps the largest construction equipment company of India, from India, and one of the only Swadeshi companies. And we have very big plans for future. We are growing in all our product lines. We are going into even bigger cranes. We are going into special models of telehandlers and backhoe loaders, which are only meant for export market, and eventually they'll find a market in India. We are coming out with newer models of pick and carry cranes. We have come out with a new 30-ton crane in a very good price range, which is going to be very effective for the customers going forward. And yes, we are very dominant. We are growing in the Indian market. Thanks for all the support and energy that all of our customers and associates provide to us. And going forward, we have very big aims for exports. And we have specially evolved Tier 5 model machines for the export markets. And we are going to be participating in Bauma Germany this year, which I think will be a global showcase for us. And so hope to see you in Bauma Germany next. Thank you.